The science behind the no porn plan. The no porn plan is based on acceptance and commitment therapy. The main goal of this program is to teach you skills that will help you better manage every area of your life, which will in turn help you develop psychological flexibility. The only way to develop these skills is by practice. That's why guided self-development exercises will be such a crucial part of this program. With these skills, you'll be able to be aware of thoughts like, "There'll just be one more porn comic and I'll stop. I had a terrible experience today and I really need this comic to take the edge off. I feel so alone. I don't want to be alone anymore. Porn will make me feel as if I have a lover of my own." And then as you become aware of them, you'll simply notice. And then still act in a way that's congruent with your values. This process is the opposite of resisting. You're allowing these thoughts to be there. Just choose to act in a way that's optimal. This sounds easier than it is, as the natural impulse of our mind is to run from these thoughts or to be controlled by them. But by learning the cognitive diffusion and mindfulness skills in this course, you'll learn how to see these thoughts as nothing but words and take away their power. This module is one of the largest, because mindfulness skills are just so important for your recovery. They will not only help you stay off porn, they'll improve every aspect of your life. In fact, I would even say that they are the single most important psychological skill you can learn for any kind of personal development. That's why this module's worksheet is pretty large. But don't worry, you don't have to complete it in one sitting. Just fill it out as you go along. Let's now look at these mindfulness skills one by one. 1. Cognitive diffusion. This skill allows you to be aware of a thought or emotion without being controlled by it. In this program, various mindfulness exercises will train you to notice your thoughts without acting on them. Slowly, this will train you in being able to feel your urge to masturbate to porn without acting on it. This skill is not about controlling your thoughts or emotions. It's all about being aware of them and being able to be free from their control. They're free to respond in a way that's aligned with your values. Number 2. Willingness. Most people use porn because they want to escape certain other negative emotions. Mindfulness exercises in this course will teach you how to be present with your emotions without being controlled by them. Willingness is all about allowing your emotions to be there without resisting them. This allows them to naturally dissipate without you trying to control them or get rid of them. It's a skill you'll develop through the mindfulness exercises in this course. 3. Present moment awareness. Present moment awareness is essentially being in the moment fully, without thinking about the past or future. When you're in the present moment, you're at your maximum capacity. Pretty much every mindfulness exercise in this course will gradually train you in this skill. 4. Understanding that you are not your thoughts. We are very often attached to our stories and our idea about ourselves. We think that we are our porn addiction, that we are our stories, and that we are our diagnostic category. By understanding that you are not your stories, self-judgments, you will learn how to be free from them, and they will stop fueling your addictions. This skill is trained by the various worksheets you complete during this course. Number 5. Valued living. In order to live a meaningful life, you need to know what's meaningful to you. By identifying your values, you'll have something more important and fulfilling to do other than masturbating to porn. It will give you the motivation and drive to quit your habit once and for all. Commitment. A commitment is the skill to abide by your values day by day. Mindfulness is something that's impossible to understand by reading about it. That's why you'll be given numerous meditations in this course, so you can experience it first-handly. You'll be giving your first exercise today. It's called Mindfulness of Breathing. Make sure to listen to it before you go to the next lesson.